Alright guys, this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Sunco LED recessed cans. Alright, I picked this up off my favorite store, Amazon. As you guys know, if you've been following my channel, and if you haven't, go over to my home video vlog. I'm pretty much documenting all the work I've been doing in my house and improving it and sharing my experience with you guys. But I picked up these cans. I must admit, I already bought these cans. I bought a set of 10 to do my new den area, and I needed 4 more, so I ended up ordering another 4 to install these. So I just want to show you how they look, how they come to you. I give you a quick look of the cans that's already installed, and they're very good. I like them. As you can see, they have the UL inspection, so they been what's the word I'm looking for? They've been looked at and approved for home, as being deemed as safe, because UL is very important to have listed on any type of electronic or electrical products that you put in your house. Make sure it's been properly inspected by some agency to give you the thumbs up. So these are the Suncos. I really like them. They're easy to put in. Yeah, that's it. They're just easy to put in. I like the quality. They're not too heavy, and they're not too light. And I think this will definitely work if you're looking to save a couple of bucks in installation per unit. I find these to be better. I like these better than the one that your home improvement, like Home Improvement Lowe's, due to the price and what you're getting out of them. So let's open it up. Let's take a look at it. I want to show you guys what I'm dealing with and how I'm approaching it and what I'm seeing, and maybe maybe it'll help you out on your home product. They got a lot of good reviews. I'll put a link on which link I'm using and all the reviews that people have put out, and so I decided to go with it. And these are the 4-inch cans, which I find very minimum and very stylish, with coupled with their LED lights with it. So let's take a look at it. I hope you appreciate the video. Please give it a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe to the channel. Again, I'm just an ordinary guy, DIY guy, who's sharing his experience and on certain products of what he's buying for my home and what's giving me pleasure. So these boys and their toys, and this is pretty much a house toy, I could consider it, and getting my den area prepared for my family. So let's take a look at it, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Alright guys, when you get it, it's going to come in the box. As you can see, it's going to be saying sold as a set. When Amazon ships it out, to make sure that you have this here, so you get all the fixtures that you're supposed to be getting. And this came similar, just like how I bought this a 10 box set, and it came pretty much a larger box. That's pretty much what you see here. Alright. And like I said before, I was kind of short. I needed 6 more cans, not 4. So I ended up ordering the 6-can set. Again, I put a link on where I got it from and how much it cost. And again, it was very reasonable in the price, I believe. Here you got your directions, and this is how they come. Alright, we'll take one out for you guys. Let me see if I can show you. And that's pretty much it. It's just like any other can. Very light, but it doesn't feel cheap. That's the most important thing. It's light enough to put up. You can handle it yourself, and it comes with these. Where everybody's going to is the pigtail connection with the LEDs, which is very easy to put in. All right. If you can see inside, it has all the UL inspection. Totally adjustable. When you take this off, you got everybody's pretty much going to these quick connectors, which again I love. Easy to wire, very easy. You have your neutral, you have your hot, and you have your ground. All right, very easy to attach box to box. Just it's you know, it's like almost like a plug and play. And by no means I'm an electrician, so again, consult your own electrician, consult your own local laws. This is by no means I'm telling you should do it this way, but this is how it's working for me. All right, and again, this is how this product is. So I just want to give you a quick look at it. I'll give you a quick look. I'll cut to some more other videos of showing what I already put up, and I'm gonna continue to put this up in my den area and just get it going. All right. All right, guys. I want to show you the lighting that's going inside my 4-inch housings, and these are the Parmida 4-inch LED retrofitting downlight baffle design. This is 3000K, so it gives you that a nice warm look. 9 watt, and as you can see, any sufficient has all the clarification up here. It's totally dimmable, 5 years warranty. Is rated for wet and dry locations, so you can put this outside. Again, I picked this up for my den area. I have about 16 hi-hats, and I used a combination of this and another version to light my den area. And as you can see, 9 watts. You see the dimension. The input is 120 AC. You have a 600 luminance. Let's open it up. Let's take a look at it. What you're gonna get in the box. Again, I bought a whole set from my favorite store. You guys know what I like about this one. All right, which I don't need, because I showed you guys in the housing, it always come with these clips. But if you retrofitting other lights, it does come with the socket. I won't be using this because I'm plugging straight into the quick connect. It's a light unit. As you can see, these adjustable tabs, so when you put it inside your housing, it fits right in there. All right, this one being straight down for the location where I'm putting mine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think they're a reasonable price, and I prefer to go through where I bought it from, Amazon, as opposed to going to a big box store. I think I had better choices, and I pretty much like the overall design. These are all made in China. All right, so most of your stuff are made in China, but it still looks good, and it still does the job. So so I'll give you guys another look on me putting them in and how it looks in the housing. But these are definitely ideal, and if you're looking to retrofit your lighting, I do recommend these. All right, so let's take a look at that. All right. Alright guys, as you see, my housing's already installed, and again, it's very simple. You got these quick connects here, and all you're going to do is just plug it in. It really, guys, it's plug and play. And once it's in, these little tabs right here is pressure fitting, so once you get it up in here, it'll stay in. You won't have any problems getting this installed. So you just pretty much wire up and push this up. And that's it, guys. That's for that. Now, of course, when I put my drywall up, I'm going to take this back down, cut around it, and slip it back up. But I like these 4-inch. They fit well in these housing. And the combination, you can't go wrong. All right? So that's the simple way of putting it in. All right? I'll swing around, let you see how it looks and when it's up with the drywall. But it's so simple to do. And I really like these housings. All right, saved me a lot of money by buying them online, and that's about it. About saving money and still getting the quality that you need for your house. So this is a house toy. It's coming well. I like how I installed it in my den. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for my other videos. All right, guys. Here's a look at it with the drywall up. And I'll swing around and let you see.
and that's how it looks with the light on again. All right, so again, I really like these lights. Here's one right here. Again, the other one is not it's installed. Let me see, I could turn it on for you guys, give a look at it. Here's a dimmer. Give you guys how it looks. So, all right, I just want to give you just a look at how it looks. And again, yeah, that's. I wish I could tell you any more, but I'm gonna be just straight to the point. Nice quality, nice design. It gets the job done. Very easy to install. So, I just want to wrap this up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, that's for your do-yourselfers. And get out there and do a little something. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.